What would you like to do if money were no object? How would you really enjoy spending your life? Better to have a short life that is full of what you like doing than a long life spent in a miserable way.
I can hear the shots from the fireworks soar and the sounds of the battle. Top down, no I'm on top when the arrows are drawn. The sergeant's on the saddle. This ain't the type of love that sees a lot of give and take. I don't know how we push and pull, but I know we'll never break. Bang, bang, I can hear the shots, but I like the way you feel in the flames of the candle. Too late to leave these walls. This castle's been surrounded. Won't stay to watch it fall around us. Bring the big guns out, shoot now. I'll make the drums beat harder for you. Red on the clouds, bleed out. I rub the colors on my face to prove. I sing it like whoa, watch me put more paint on, more paint on. Watch me put more paint on, more paint on. On the map when your allies and your tribes are telling you to leave me. They won't see my plan of attack, cause this is our fight. Love is not the enemy. Everything that you kill me, somehow it makes me feel alive. So take the gun on your body